Sometimes I wonder if the front end's gonna hold together because I put it together. That's a good sized tree. It felt smooth, too smooth. No, fuck. Oh damn. Took the trailers out. Damn it. Well, we could drop it off. Brought my little wood sled. Had to cut a tree. I'll be home in a minute. Last week I power washed the quad because it like needed it. And I didn't power wash the Stark, dude. What an asshole. I was thinking about cutting these pieces. It's raining. I count them. There's 9. I thought there was like 5 maybe. There's 9. I gotta cut all these off. 6 o'clock. It's dark out. Done. I'm probably gonna use the bigger pieces for the roof and the smaller pieces for walls.
System locked. Main track starting now. Subwoofers ready. System ready. Performance unlocked.
Yeah.